So I'm here in Cagayan de Oro City for property verification. So we're inside Kauswagan, going coastal area, because the requirement is industrial coastal area, tapos with access to the sea for landing cables. We just arrived yesterday from Iloilo. So I rented a car, Wigo. Sinusundan natin yung Honda City ng isang local partner natin na broker consultant. So that is how we do it, yung mga network natin nationwide. So if there's a need, if it's worth our time, then pinupuntahan talaga natin, because we do also yung site analysis, due diligence. Maganda yung Wigo, no? This is 2025 model, brand new. So kung paikot-ikot ka lang sa isang area, no, that's mostly flat yung terrain, okay na to, no? Rather than taking yung mga taxis, very expensive for one day. Yung rent is also very affordable, only 1,300, no? 1,500 kasama yung delivery fee. That's good for 24 hours, no? Pagkatapos known naman to for very being fuel efficient. Tapos madali ka makapasok sa mga areas. So medyo this will be a long day for property checking today. Marami tayong sites, because dalawang sites, yung two types of sites yung hinahanap natin. Isang residential for subdivision project, then we have also industrial na requirement, parang satellite na requirement. So medyo this type of practice is medyo advanced for mga beginning brokers, no? If you are interested on how we do it, just follow our vlog, no? It appears yung mga travel natin parang lakwatsa, but may kasamang negosyo yan. Okay, papasok muna tayo sa medyo makitid na area. Okay.